This guide will show you how to automatically convert MKV recordings to MP4 in OBS. Open the settings. Switch to the Advanced tab. Locate the recording heading and check the box to Automatically Remux to MP4. Apply and press OK. To convert an existing recording, select File, then Remux Recordings. Select the three dots under OBS Recording. Find and open the video you want to convert. By default, the converted video will save with the same location and name. You can change this by selecting the target file and clicking the three dots. When you have your location and name, press Save. Press Remux and your recording will convert. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then please consider leaving a like and comment. It really helps support us. Also, consider subscribing for more tech videos.